So in today's video, we're going to look at the use of char in Excel. So char is the character for a value that you input. So here is a char map. This one is quite complicated, but here you've got down at the end, you've got like 32 is a space, 33 is an exclamation. You can see the value that actually returns. So this is the char value that is being set for all of these. So in Excel, so here I have, you can see over here, 32 space, 33 exclamation. You can actually return that value. So here I've got 32 space, 33 exclamation. So char 33, I could just put it the number 33 as well. But for 33, is an exclamation. So if you go down, you'll see like char 48 is 0, goes down to char 57, which is 9. So all of these are available through the char function. It's just CHAR and then a value between 0 and 255 that will return you the actual character in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.